What is Pegasus Spyware? Pegasus is a little-known piece of spyware that has been secretly installed on smart devices around the globe. It is a Trojan computer virus that can be sent to infect cell phones and tablets. This stealthy software, which is 100% undetected by the average user, is a total surveillance tool. According to Kaspersky's blog, the Pegasus spyware is able to read the user's messages and emails, listen to calls, capture screenshots, read the saved passwords, read browser history, contacts, and so on. How does Pegasus work? The Pegasus spyware is a zero-click exploit Trojan. This means that the user doesn't have to do anything to get infected. It does not require any action from the user like clicking a link or installing an app. Pegasus works by finding bugs in popular apps like WhatsApp or FaceTime. Once the bug is found, the Pegasus spyware installs itself and takes control of your data. Removing Pegasus spyware from your device. Update your device as soon as the updates are available. Making the security updates on time is crucial. Once a new malware is detected, Apple and Android release new security updates which eliminate the threat. And be sure to have a malware removal tool and use it frequently. Check the links in the description for details. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.